เอาเดี๋ยว
สวัสดีค่ะ
ขอบคุณนะครับขอบคุณนาย
국내 법률 및 국제 기준에 따라 예비 일품 배터리나 배터리하고 이산화탄소 감축
สวัสดีครับ
Are you going to
Phuket 2 persons
Excuse me, so your flight has been delayed 20 minutes. Alright, so the boarding gate for flight to Phuket is A1, start boarding around 7:20.
ขอบคุณครับ
Thank you.
สวัสดีครับขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณครับ
So in 20 and they want for boarding.
โอเค thank you
3 bars at all, though.
前往清迈、康尔多航空、泰国国际航空 TG120，航班现在A6登机口开始登机。
You saw too?
That's okay, you can.
Hi there
แม่รอฟังเฟิร์สแท็กนะไม่ได้ยินนะ
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
792 thank you for 25 สวัสดีค่ะ279ค่ะ
So when we arrive, please wait. We'll start to help you. We have one room for toilet at the front.
thank you
สวัสดีครับ
18A เหรอคะ แล้วนี่เลยค่ะริมหน้าต่าง
Il n'y a pas de chips.
Bah non, c'est des vols courts distance.
talking about Bangkok Airways flight PG279 bound for Phuket International Airport. Our flight time will be 1 hour and 10 minutes. Smoking in the cabin and lavatory is strictly prohibited. Please make a note of the no smoking sign. Please turn off your mobile phones and all transmitting electronic devices and stow safely. These devices may only be used in flight mode after the seatbelt sign is turned off. As your safety is our priority, may we have the full attention to the cabin crew announcement and the safety demonstration. Thank you. Your seatbelt must be fastened. Whenever the fasten seatbelt sign is on, fasten the buckle and pull the strap tightly. เมื่อต้องการปลดล็อกยกหัวเข็มขัดด้วยดึงปลายที่เสียบออกจากกัน To unfasten, lift the buckle flap and pull it apart. และผู้โดยสารอื่น Pull the mask toward your face and cover the nose and mouth. Then tap shoulder. And now the passenger requiring assistance. If you find that the seat pocket, especially emergency access operation, กรุณาเก็บสัมภาระไว้ในที่เก็บของบนศีรษะหรือใต้ที่ Fasten at all times. Smoking in the cabin and lavatory is strictly prohibited. Your in-flight meal will be served shortly. Part-time magazine and Inflight variety magazine on a table in front of you. We are pleased to introduce our in-flight shopping. If you wish to purchase any products, please contact cabin crew after meals and direct service. We wish you a safe and pleasant flight with Bangkok Airways. Thank you.
turbulent. For your safety reasons, you have your seatbelt fastened on time when you are seated. The weather in Phuket is expected to be good, with 26 degrees Celsius or 80 degrees Fahrenheit. We do hope you enjoy the in-flight services. Thank you for flying with Bangkok Airways A320 airline. Have a good night.ตรวจสอบสัมภาระของท่านให้เรียบร้อยก่อนลงจากเครื่องท่านสามารถเปิดใช้งานโทรศัพท์มือถือได้ในขณะนี้ค่ะ ขอให้ท่านระมัดระวังพื้นต่างระดับขณะก้าวออกจากเครื่องโปรดปฏิบัติตามคำแนะนำของพนักงาน
Others, please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please be careful while opening overhead lockers as items may have moved during the flight and could fall out causing injury. Please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before you leave the aircraft. You're reminded that smoking is not permitted until you are inside the designated smoking area inside the terminal building. You may now use your mobile phones. We hope that you've enjoyed your
cabin crew disabled outside.
Go up and up. Have a good night.
Thank you.